Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again for Android. So first method here is you have to make sure that your TikTok is up to date. You can go to Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and if you see an update button right here, what you're going to do is you have to click or tap on update and update your TikTok. Once done, you can open your TikTok and see if this method works. If not, then the next thing to do here is exit your Google Play Store, and then this time you have to locate your TikTok application. So what you're going to do here is you're going to clear cache app. In order to do that, you can go to your settings, locate TikTok, or just go to TikTok, long press, tap on app info, and then this time you have to look for storage usage and then tap on clear cache. Okay, after that, see if this method work. Now if not, then the next thing to do here is you need to basically uninstall your TikTok application and reinstall it again. This is one of the reasons why you encounter this problem. It's because there are a lot of things to fix, so you need to uninstall, tap on OK, go back to your Google Play Store, and then this time you have to look for TikTok and then try to reinstall TikTok again. So after doing this method, I hope it fixed TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again for Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.